Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Facebook on an Android device. Okay, first thing first, you have to make sure that you have installed Google Authenticator application on the Play Store. Okay, and then open your Facebook application on your device. Okay, after that, click profile icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down. So here you can select settings and privacy option. Well, and then you can choose privacy shortcut and please scroll down. So you can select use two-factor authentication. Then you can choose authentication app. After that, click continue. Okay, so you can copy this code and then click continue. And then you can open Google Authenticator application. Okay, and then you can click plus icon. Enter a setup key. Then enter your account name. So, you can put the key before here. After that, click add option. And you can directly put the code to your Facebook account. Okay, last you can wait a process until finish. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Facebook on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.